What's up, y'all? It's Noel, and I am back with another video. In today's video, it will be a Vooglam haul. Vooglam is a very nice eyewear website where you can get like glasses for prescription, blue light blocking. I think you can also get like shades on there too as well. But in today's video, I will be reviewing these glasses and I will be telling the description and, you know, giving my honest review. Okay, so this will be our first pair of glasses. And they all come with a bag like this. They have Vooglam on it. Born to be unique. So these are the first pair. These are the Hilary in black. And they are black all around the frame. And they have these gold handles. And they even have a gold little accent right here. This is how they look on. They are very cute. They are not tight. They do stretch if you have a big head. They are big head friendly. They are like a cat eye. They're just perfect for like any day, casual, night out. It doesn't matter. They are the perfect glasses for a big head friendly girl. So yeah, this is the next pair. They all come in a glasses case like this. So this is the next pair. It's Elowen. So they are gold, kind of like a square shape. They're like, I don't know, they're just like square, but they're not like your ordinary square because they have like this little part. But they're square and they're gold all around except they have the black earpieces. Now, if you have a big head, I wouldn't recommend these for a big head, but they are so nice. Well, as long as you get your peripheral distance right, I think it'll be fine. But if you're a girl that likes to stretch them out when you put them on, these won't be the good selection for you. But these are very nice. They're very nice. They're very big so that you don't have to look over the lenses, which I really like that. And overall, they're just very nice, and they're very good quality. They don't feel cheap and they don't feel too heavy on your face. I really like this color. So these are the next pair of glasses. Very crystal clear. It's clear literally all the way around. This little silver piece is a nice touch. But they're clear all the way around, and they have this like diamond crystal effect. And these are Shane. These are the perfect it girl glasses. They're so nice. They are so nice. These will literally be perfect for every day and literally go with anything. And they are big head friendly because you see I could still stretch it out if I wanted to, but it's really no need. These are the next pair. These are Raquel in the color clear. They're kind of like the other ones. They're kind of like Shane, except these are kind of more cat eye. These are how they look on. I love how clear glasses really frame your face. And with these, with all of the glasses that I've tried on so far, the frames are very big. You don't have to look over them, and you're not looking under them either. You're not looking over them or under them, which is really good. These are them on. so cute. I really like how it doesn't squeeze my nose right here. This will be really, really good for everyday wear. Like, we could wear them anywhere. And they are not tight on your ears. And sometimes I get glasses and they hurt my ears, but these don't hurt at all. And they're very good quality. They're not plastic like, and they're not too heavy. Okay, these are my last ones. They're called Kinfe, but they're in the color Tortoise. And y'all know I love me some Tortoise. It has this really nice touch right here. I really like that. It has it on both sides. It also has this kind of gold color right here. Yeah, but let me put them on. These are so nice. I just feel like they are so classy and so elegant. And these are, I mean, I usually wouldn't go for this lens, but I really, really, really like this lens. They're not heavy, they're not tight, very comfortable on the nose, they're not squeezing my nose. If I was to shake my head, they're not going nowhere. Like, they're literally not going anywhere. So, and that's for all the glasses. All the glasses are very good quality. I do recommend this brand to anybody who want glasses that are big frames. You can't see over them or under them, which is so good. It's annoying when you can see literally over the lens while you're looking straight. Like, that's so annoying. My favorite out of these would have to be this pair in the color Tortoise, which the name is Kinfe. And my second favorite would be Hilary in the color black. My third favorite would be Shane in the color crystal. My fourth favorite would be Elowen in the color gold. And then last but not least would be Raquel in the color clear. Literally all of them come with the glass cleaner, and the glass cleaner looks like this. It has Vooglam born to be unique on the side of it. And they clean the glasses very, very, very well. It also has a pupil distance ruler, because I know a lot of y'all don't know how to find the distance of your eyes. So they do have an app where you can find that, and they do have a ruler as well. You can click try on and upload a photo of yourself, and they will show you how the glasses will look on you. And I think that's the most effective way to make sure that the glasses are your style. All of these glasses will be at Vooglam.com. You may also download the app Vooglam. They do have an app that you can use to find your PD and try out different looks if need be. You don't have to get a prescription if you don't want to. If you go on there, you'll find something that you'll like. They literally have something on there for everybody, literally. If you do want to purchase any of these glasses on Vooglam.com, my code will be KAI15, KAI15, for a percentage off of your purchase. Please go in there because they have a lot of glasses, and they have glasses literally for everyone, they have every style, every look, every color, every shape. Just go in there because you'll find something that you like. And with that being said, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure that you turn on the post notifications. Make sure that you stalk my social media. My social media will be right here somewhere. Make sure y'all stalk my social media. I will see y'all in the next video.
But I'll be on it always, always.